Firstly, open the package. You will see use menu and open home drawing. Then you will see front panel, back panel, as well as accessory pack, cards, and mechanical keys. Secondly, install knock body with screws and net deadbolt on top side. Thirdly, let's install knock. 1. Remove battery cover. 2. Choose the right collection color. Make no longer than the door thickness. We use short spare for this shelf, then fix them on front panel. 3. Choose right square steel according to the door thickness. We also choose the shortest one for this shelf. Then install front panel with square steel and wire crossing right holes. 4. Collect wire with back panel and match with front panel. Then fix them together with 2 screws. We use shortest one on top and second shortest one on the bottom. 5. Install batteries and check whether fingerprint, card, and password works. Now we've done.